Student, we discuss here conversion reaction of benzene. I am Veena Dikshit. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. Comments on my video. Thank you. Convert benzene to para-nitrobenzoic acid. So when benzene react with CH3Cl and hydrous AlCl3, Friedel-Crafts alkylation will take place. Always remember, whenever benzene is there and you have to convert it into any acid, at that moment alkylation will be done and then we'll get toluene, and conc HNO3 and H2SO4, that is nitration, will take place. This is called nitrating mixture. So CH3 group is ortho and para directing, and para nitrotoluene will be obtained, which is in excess always. Okay, now here para nitrotoluene will react with KMnO4, alkaline KMnO4, followed by acidic hydrolysis, will get para-nitrobenzoic acid. Here the space was short, so I took it here. Okay, so first what we have done, introduction of CH3 group into the benzene ring, then nitro group into the benzene ring at para position via nitration, electrophilic substitution reaction, then followed by this oxidation, so we will get para-nitrobenzoic acid. So CH3 group is ortho and para directly. Clear? Now convert benzene to meta-nitrobenzoic acid. There is a trick. Why? Because here we have seen that if we are using CH3 and then nitration and then followed by oxidation, we are getting at para position nitro group, they are saying at meta position. So what we have to do? We have to convert toluene in such a manner that the group which will be coming over here will be meta directing. So what we will do? This oxidation of CH3 first in second step will do. First step, alkylation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation will be there in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, CH3Cl react with it and form alkyl CH3 1 positive methyl carbocation. Okay, this is positive charge, so this will be attacked to this position and we'll get toluene. Now we'll do oxidation here, hot KMnO4 react and we'll get benzoic acid. The same way, hot KMnO4 H positive H2O, this will be there, so we'll get benzoic acid. Now we will do nitration. Okay, in this case we know that nitration of benzoic acid using nitrating mixture. Nitrating mixture is conc HNO3 and conc H2SO4. Nitroniamine is active species which taking part in the reaction. This is electrophile which undergo electrophilic substitution reaction of COH group at meta position. Clear? So benzoic acid, conc HNO3, conc H2SO4, nitration occur and we'll get meta-nitrobenzoic acid. Clear to you how easy and how simple it is? We did oxidation of toluene in second.